The Winter Calving Ranch is located about 20 miles south of Fort Morgan, Colorado. The ranch consists of 2,080 acres of grassland. The ranch is anchored by an extensive improvement set of buildings. There are 3 homes, including the main home, which is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. 2 other homes are available for labor or rental units. There's also a large equestrian facility with a clear span barn comprising 17,000 square feet. It includes numerous horse stalls with runs. There's a shop building that has 3 bays and concrete floors. There's a calving barn that contains 17 jugs, a head catch, and a vet room. There's a processing building that has a hydraulic squeeze chute and dual hydraulic alleyway. There's an extensive set of pipe corrals with 900 feet of concrete bunk. Winter Calving Ranch is ideal for an operation that has multiple profit centers. The operator has the ability to run cattle on grassland as well as feed cattle in the pipe corrals with concrete bunks. The feed yard is supplemented by a commodity building and a corn silage pit. The property is located nearby Fort Morgan. It has all services and is a thriving rural ag community. Please contact Mason & Morse Ranch Company for more information. I'm John Stratman. I'm a ranch broker with Mason & Morse Ranch Company. We live it to know it.